Welcome back. In yet another xenophobic attack in Jammu and Kashmir, Islamists hurled a grenade at a BJP Neta's home in Rajouri. A minor boy was killed and several others were injured in that attack that took place at the house of this BJP leader. Times Now is reporting from the spot, also speaking to the family members of this BJP leader. Pradeep Datta sent us this report exclusively from the home of BJP leader Jasbir Singh in Rajouri. Take a look.
Once again, Pak-sponsored terrorists have resorted to act of cowardice and brutality. Late tonight, they were having their dinner. That was the time when terrorists lobbed a grenade. Grenade exploded on their veranda, and after that, they were hit by splinters. 6 of them got critically injured. But what is shocking is that 4-year-old boy, Veer Singh, they lovingly call him Chunnu, lost his life. He was sitting in lap of mother. That was the time when mother was feeding him. She was about to feed him. One of the splinter hit his neck and he died on spot. You can very well understand what the family members must be going through. It's really very difficult for me here to ask them questions. It's not that easy. Asking father question what really he is going through at this stage. I know it's a very difficult phase for me also, and it's a very difficult phase for them. It's an irreparable loss. I'll still try to ask him, because you can see father of the child, he has already been injured. He has also got the splinter injuries. क्या कहेंगे आप अपने बेटे के जो ये हुआ हादसा?
बेटे की यादें रह गई हैं अभी, मैं भूल नहीं सकता उनको, बोल नहीं सकता सर मैं उनको।
मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि ये बहुत ही मुश्किल घड़ी है। 4 साल के बच्चे को भी उन्होंने बख्शा नहीं।
इसमें हम यही अपील करते हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से कि जैसे हम सिटी में म्यूनसिपैलिटी एरिया में हैं, टाउन में हैं, हम गांव में नहीं हैं, तो हम ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से अपील करते हैं कि जैसा हमारे साथ हुआ है ऐसा किसी और बच्चे की जान ना जाए। वहाँ पे जो भी हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को बिल्कुल प्रॉपर्ली तरीके से डिटेलमेंट की जाए, वहाँ पे पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस वगैरह लगाए जाएं ताकि आगे से ऐसा हादसा नहीं हो। और
See, father is appealing. Father wants administration to take all measures, because the way he has lost his son, he doesn't want anybody else to go through this nightmare, to go through this trauma, go through this problem. They do not want anybody else to lose their near and dear ones, their kith and kin. So that's why he wants proper security arrangements to be made. We have seen that over the period of time, these terrorists are targeting innocent, unarmed family members. This shows a level of desperation. Because after abrogation of Article 370, there were people who were saying that there will be no one to lift tricolor. But people of Jammu and Kashmir are not only lifting tricolor, but they are ready to sacrifice their life. We have got the aunt also sitting with us. क्या कहेंगे इस चुन्नू के बारे में? चुन्नू से आपका बड़ा लगाव, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस समय इस घड़ी पे?
शुन्नू हमारे लिए यादें छोड़ गया है, हर मेमोरी, हर वीडियो छोड़ के गया है। लेकिन ये बताओ कि उसने क्या बिगाड़ा था, किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा था? उसने पाकिस्तान का क्या बिगाड़ा था? एक बच्चे ने, 3 साल के बच्चे ने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा था? मेरा वीर सिंह आज देश के लिए शहीद हो गया।
एक सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, फैमिली मेंबर्स एक सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. They're asking one question. Everybody is asking one question. What was fault of Chunnu? What wrong he had done? He was yet to open his eyes properly, pursue his dream. He was just 4. Why he was targeted and killed by Pak-sponsored terrorists? That is, everybody here is asking this question. So they are quite angry, they are quite agitated, but yes, it's an irreparable loss for them. That nothing is going to fill that void. Everybody is in pain, in grief. So, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो ये छोटे बच्चों को भी निशाना बना रहे हैं?
पाकिस्तान ने बारंबार ये काराना हरकत की है. हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जो भी हमारे देश के संविधान और देश के तिरंगे को उठाता है, आगे लेकर चलता है, उसको वो टारगेट करते हैं. और
With that, it's time for a quick break here on this edition of Live Wire, but lots more lined up for you on the other side. Do stay on with us.